friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a sweet and that is coconut burfi. Yes guys, this is very delicious, very tasty and everyone loves it. Especially during festive season you can make it very easily. To make nariyal burfi I am using 2 bowls of desiccated coconut. This is a freshly scraped one. Then again a half bowl of fresh cream and 1.5 bowls of sugar. Again for flavoring I'll use around 7 to 8 green cardamom, some raisins to garnish and some finely thinly sliced almonds and some pistachios. Now I've started to heat up a pan. In this I'll add the green cardamom. I'll roast it. You'll come to know when it starts to swell up. And then I'll grind it with the help of sugar. Like I'll add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. So it becomes easier for the cardamoms to get grinded. You can see the raisins have started to swell up. It means that it is roasted well. So now I'm going to just take all this in my grinder. To this I'll add around 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now I'm going to grind this. You can see the green cardamom and sugar has been grinded well. Now in the same pan I'll add the scraped coconut. So here it goes. So both the bowls I have added to the pan. I'll add the fresh cream to it. So this one too goes into it. To this add the sugar also. And the cardamom and sugar powder. So just mix it well. You can see the sugar has melted now. Now I'll cook this till it starts to leave the edges from the pan. Keep the flame to be low to medium so that it doesn't stick to the base. You can see it is almost done. Now I'll cook till it starts to leave the pan. The edges will just start to leave the sides. Now this is the plain flavor. Again you can work on it and you can give some other flavor like mango and add the mango essence in yellow color to give a nice flavor and color to the burfi. Now this is done. Now I'll spread this on a greased tray. I've greased it with clarified butter. You can see it is done. It has started to leave the sides. Finally add around 1 tablespoon of sugar, powdered sugar. This will keep the burfi moist. I'll just mix it. Now this is ready to go on the tray. Now just spread it across the tray. Now just grease your hands with little bit of clarified butter and tap this so that you get a clean and clear surface from top. Just take care, it's very hot. So once this is done, add 1 raisins at regular intervals depending on what size of coconut burfi you will cut. Finally garnish with some finely thinly sliced almonds and pistachios. Sprinkle all over. So I'll now let it set, I'll let it cool, and after that I'll cut it. So just give it a tap so that it sticks to the burfi. Now the burfi is cooled down, I'll start to cut it. You can give any shape of your choice. I'm giving small square shapes. Now start removing it, and you can store it for some days, and anytime you can serve it. Suppose if the burfi doesn't come out, so you can just warm it up for about 30 seconds. If you have liked this video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate.